Hey everybody, so we are on another change here. I think this is like the fourth time this has been changed, but now I was supposed to start chemo today and I got the hiccups, so bear with me because one medication that they give me gives me hiccups. Anyways, I was supposed to start the chemo today for the trial. However, two of the data recorders, whichever that is, didn't show up, so it's Wednesday. We're doing it Wednesday now. And so Wednesday will be the first day of chemo, Thursday, and then Friday. Then followed by 2 days of rest, which will be Saturday and Sunday. And then the CAR NK cells will be injected on Monday. I got the hiccups. I hate having the hiccups. I'm trying to drink, but it won't go away. And these are like the deep hiccups too, where it's like your whole body like goes. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. Anyways, so that's where we're at. That's where we're standing. So, yeah. How do I feel about this? I'm nervous. I'm ready to get this over with. Curious to see how this works out and what it's going to do to me. How it's going to react. That's what we're going to find out. So this is the first inhuman test of this drug. I was reassured, though, that it did very well in animals. So, I guess that was supposed to make me feel better about it. Didn't work. Nope, I was still a bag of cats. I was like, oh, geez. But, this is the first inhuman trials for this, and this is supposed to be, the thing that nails it, nails the lid on the coffin for cancer. So that's kind of cool, and I'm really excited, and I'm really, I guess, proud, if you could say that. I'm proud to be a part of it. It's pretty neat. I really do hope that, at the very least, they get really good results, across the board with like all the data and everything and everything that they, are trying to learn on what it does to somebody like me. I really hope it works out, so, like I said, you try to do your best, to go through life. And, I was blessed with another opportunity to make a difference, so, I embraced it wholeheartedly, and I'm all in. Like, I'm doing this. And, one of the downfalls of doing this and like donating your body to science and research like that is, they do take advantage of that. So there's a lot of biopsies that they did and chunks of tissue that they took, and they're continuing to do so. There's a lot of blood work. There's just a lot of imaging, like all these tests and everything that are done. It is very involved, and it's busy. I am physically and mentally exhausted at this point, just from like all the testing and work and all the procedures just to get to where I'm at right now. That's not even counting doing the chemos and the trial itself. It's intense. And like I said, I really do hope that they get what they're looking for, and we can kill this shit for good. And that's what it's all about. helping the next guy. You don't hear that very often, do you? You don't really hear that anymore today. A lot of people aren't looking out, for, one another. And, it's just the way it is. I do, so I think it's important to do this. And, my wife, Becky, she's freaking awesome. Like, she really had to step up. She's basically, a one-woman show, with the kids and running stuff, and she's just took it in stride. I mean, I wouldn't be able to do this if it wasn't for, her doing that, and then the support from all you folks out there, just all the thoughts and prayers, and even the GoFundMe thing, which went crazy and amazing. That couldn't have happened at a better time. It got us through like a time period where everything got screwed up, with the funding and stuff from the federal government, the army and stuff. Like it all just like got screwed up temporarily. And I mean, it's expensive to do this. It really is. I mean, you would think that a lot of this would be covered by the the drug study, but it's not. It's not. It, like, being like living down here, having an apartment. I was only supposed to be here for 2 months initially when I came down in January. Yeah, so I'm still here. But I mean, that was out of anybody's control. My body decided to go crazy, and it happens. You just got to take it in stride, and thank goodness I made it through that. And I'm not really a superstitious person, but there's a lot of signs, a lot of indicators that I'm in the right place at the right time, and I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. I mean, it was so obvious that even I figured that out, so I know I'm doing the right thing. So and like I said, I mean, it's been a long fight. It's 12 going on 13 years. I never stopped believing that I wasn't going to win. I kept a good mental attitude, and I gave her hell. I put my body through hell. I mean, bad. Especially these last 3 years, it was so bad. It was so bad. But, you power through it. And, because I did that got me to where I'm at now. So I stayed in the fight the whole time, and I never admitted defeat. Even to doing this now, I'm like, nah, we're going to win. We're going to win this fight. And I'm going to go home and enjoy the rest of my time in peace. That's my plan. But, I'm real crazy excited to start this. I'm pretty sure that I might come out of this with some sort of superpower. I am really betting on that. I know I got these hiccups. Yeah, that would probably be my superpower, to have these stupid hiccups or something like that. But I know I've been saying for a while, I've been waiting for the superpower to come. You figure from all the chemo and radiation that was done to me, something cool had to come out of that. But no, I think if anything, it's going to be this. It'll give me my superpower. Yeah. But yeah, so yeah, like I said, I'm ready. Wednesday we start. There's basically no going back now. All the pre-testing, all the hardware is installed. Like I said, I got the PICC line installed here. I have that port in my chest and another IV here. All the hardware has been installed. I showed up. I'm motivated. and just waiting for those data things or processors or whatever they needed to get here. And we're gonna do this. It's gonna be awesome. I'm curious on how this is gonna feel like as those cells are like going, you know, as they're being injected into my body. You know, if I'll feel that or taste it, because sometimes you taste like things like that. I'm curious to see, you know, what this is all about. Excuse me. But you know, I'm not gonna lie. I am pretty nervous. I'm not worried. I don't really. I can't say that I'm sitting here worrying about things, because literally none of it's in my control. You know what I mean? Like, I've done everything that I was in control of. I have executed it flawlessly, and everything has been done that I had any influence on. So now it's up to science and good Lord up there. Excuse me. And we'll see how this goes. I do think that this will be it. I mean, it's going to be it for a couple of reasons. One, sorry, the internet got goofy here, but it's going to be it for a couple of reasons. One, because I literally don't have any other treatments that are going to work. Like, I'm not saying that's not true, because this last chemo regimen really worked, but it's to the point now where it's a juggle on whether I would survive doing that again, or, you know, if my body would hold up to that. And that's a major concern, because just the way things happened, I haven't been able to regain, you know, my strength and weight. I didn't have the opportunity, because the cancer went into some really dangerous places. Like, it took over my lung completely, and you know, stuff like that. So sometimes you gotta pull the trigger on that early and ride it out as long as you can, and pray for good results. And it worked this time, so I at least know that I can fall back on that. But boy, that sucked. That wasn't easy at all. But I do believe that this is going to be really awesome. I just have a feeling. I never had a feeling like this about any of the treatments or procedures I ever went through in the past. I was just like, this, you know, might not work.
Hey, Shawn.
But hold on. Yes.
Sorry to bother you.
I'm on a video. What can I do for you?
CT is calling. Are you willing to go downstairs anytime during the night?
Another test? Yeah, sure. What do they need?
They want to order CT chest without contrast for you.
A CT chest? Yeah, that's not a
anytime.
Problem. Yeah, anytime.
All right, because she cannot give me a time frame.
Okay,
so
no problem.
It might be later.
Yep.
All right, thank you, Shawn.
More tests. They snuck one more test in. Yeah, sorry, that was my nurse. I don't know if you could hear or if they picked it up. That was my nurse saying that they want to do a CT on my chest again, probably tonight sometime, possibly. I don't know. Which will be interesting, doing that with these hiccups. So I hope it's not anytime soon, until I can use my ninja focus and get rid of these hiccups. But as you can see, yeah, they're still sneaking in some last minute images, you know, imaging of things and stuff like that. So I got that to do possibly tonight. But as I was saying, I do believe that this is going to work. I just have a really good feeling about this. I trust the science. I trust what they're doing. It makes sense. If it doesn't work, then it wasn't meant to be. Honestly, I'll be the first to admit that. I believe it's going to work. And I believe that they're going to get awesome results off of me, awesome data from me, and it's going to help a lot of people out. And that would be honestly the perfect ending to my cancer journey into a victory like that, and being able to say that I was patient number 1 for that CAR-NK trial, and it's out there in the world, curing people. That would be amazing. That would be truly amazing. What an awesome ending that would be for this fight. That would be, wow. So yeah, like I said, Wednesday, we're gonna jump on that horse and we're gonna ride the living daylights out of it. So that's all I have. I just wanted to give you the quick update because it changed again. I hope it doesn't change anymore. I hope we do pull the trigger on this on Wednesday because, I'm mentally prepared to do it. I don't want to not, be mentally prepared and go in like half-assed because, just wouldn't be good. In case something did go wrong, I need to be in a good place, with my head and I need to be motivated, be running on all 8 cylinders, and because I'll be in for a fight. If something does go wrong, it will be catastrophic. So, which is not unfamiliar territory for me. Yeah. If you watched all my videos and stuff, and yeah, I've danced with the devil a few times and kicked him in the nuts and ran away. So I think I might have one more chance at doing that, and I hope I don't have to use. So that's kind of where we're at. But okay, I'll let you know what my plan is to do, just to give everybody a heads up. Like, this is what I'm planning on doing for these videos, because like I asked, there's certain things that I can't like videotape. Like, I can't obviously videotape them doing the actual injection and stuff, even though it is being videotaped. I'm not allowed to do it. I am going to basically every day, so like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I'll make a video of that each day to see what that chemo type does to me. I'll tell everybody, okay, today I'm feeling this, this, and this. Now the next day I'm feeling that, and that, plus this, this, and this, because you got hit with it again, and etc. And then the 2 days of rest, probably Saturday and Sunday, I'll make a video, because from what I learned and read, those chemo agents that they give me are probably will have a little bit of a delayed punch, but not very much. It has a shorter fuse, per se. So when you light that, it's going to go off fairly quick. So on Saturday and Sunday is probably going to be rock bottom, and that's probably when my body's going to tank. Like, all my blood counts across the board will go down, because the excuse me, the chemo that they're giving me specifically kills your immune system and your blood to make room for the cells that they're going to infuse back in. So that's by design. That's specifically designed to do that. So we know that's going to happen. We got to wait for it, make sure that it doesn't drop too much, or else they'll be pumping blood and products into me left and right to try to keep everything stable and keep me alive. So that's kind of what we're looking at probably for Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday I'll let you know with the infusion. I'll probably do it, probably one quick video before just to say, here we go, and then I'll do a video after, and then probably a couple days after that. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what's going to happen, so this is kind of exciting because nobody knows what the hell's going to happen. So, you know, stand by. This is reality TV at its finest. But all right, everyone, I'm going to probably get ready to hit the rack here. I'll keep you guys posted. Keep me in your prayers. This is going to be some crazy stuff. So, you know, pray for me. Continue to pray for me. I appreciate it. It keeps me running. Trust me, it helps. So, all right. I hope everybody stays safe, have fun, you know, and stand by because this is going to be interesting. Good night, everybody.